Okay, so here's a little lesson on using the immersive reader. I'm using the example in our OneNote, and I'm in literacy, and I'm in the article of the week, and it is called A Hill, Some Snow, Sledding Fun, unless the city says no. Usually when you're in a class notebook, you're on the home page. If you go beside that, it says Insert, Draw, but where we want to go so that we can use the immersive reader is under the tab View. So as soon as I click immersive reader, the page changes, and all I need to do is hit play. Level 830 Algeria Smith. So this will read out the whole article. If I scroll down, I can let this read. I can pause it at any time. I can make a manipulation if I want a different language, which would be interesting. But for the most part, this is being used to read for you. The other one I wanted to show, so it also works well in anywhere. The giver vocab, I finally got the proper vocab set up for you. So here's an example. If I wanted to listen to this and listened to the excerpts that use the words, which I found, I would use the immersive reader under View, and the page would change, and I would hit play. 113 assimilated PG, 104 obsolete PG 127. Add the new vocabulary word. Be sure to arrange them in alphabetical order. Vocabulary. Some words have multiple definitions. So what I'm trying to get across to you is that you are able to use an immersive reader in all of the tabs, in all of your work. You could listen to the morning announcement by using the immersive reader. Which I have. Anyhow, I hope that if that's something that's new to you, you take advantage of it, and if it's something that would help you in our class get through all of the reading, whether it's math, literacy, science, geography, it works all the way through OneNote. I hope you try it out.